Having two languages definitely enables you to function better because you've got a bigger pool of vocabulary. You're able to look at sentences in different ways, but Welsh and English structurally and the syntax are totally different. So you study language more effectively, I believe, and this is why we do achieve statistics like this, and this isn't a one-off. Ysgol Maes Garmon, we were told, was the best school in Wales, A to C, in English language and literature last year. That we are able to analyse and dissect and look at things with the two brains working at the same time, as it were.